If you're researching KYB shocks, stop scrolling right now. In the next few minutes, I'm going to explain all three KYB shock options, who each one is for, and which one you should consider without all of the marketing nonsense. I'm Sean Reyes, founder of Shock Surplus, and we sell suspension like this every single day. And KYB is one of the most misunderstood shock brands out there. Let's fix that fast. First up is the KYB Black XL-G. This is your basic black shock. No surprise there. Direct factory replacement, and it's near identical to a factory-like feel. KYB is an OEM supplier for many manufacturers out there, so this shock is as close as you're going to get to a factory-like feel without paying factory prices. And here's a quick reality check. A lot of automotive stores and the dealership will charge almost double for this exact same shock as we do on our own website, Shock Surplus. But let's get back to the shock. The XL-G is a twin tube gas charge shock. Very standard, very basic, but also very proven. If your goal is to replace worn out factory shocks, restore factory-like ride quality, and just have no performance expectations, then this is really your answer. Very economical, very proven. Next up is the KYB gas adjust shock. But let's get something out of the way. These are not adjustable despite the name. There's no knobs, no clicks, no tuning. So why the name? We honestly don't have any idea. It confuses everyone. But what does matter is the design. The gas adjust is a monotube gas charge shock with a larger piston inside than what you will see inside of an XL-G twin tube shock. Bigger piston means more damping service, and more damping service means more consistent overall. For most people, the difference between the XL-G and the gas adjust shock will be very subtle. Think of it like this: sharp bumps, expansion joints, hard corners. The gas adjust is going to make things just a little bit better. If you want a mild upgrade without changing the character of your vehicle, then the gas adjust is your solution. Next, we step up into the KYB MonoMax, their red shock. These are KYB's heavy-duty shocks. Maximum damping, different valving. They're still monotube, but firmer, especially when you compare them to other KYB options on the same vehicle. These are commonly used on vehicles carrying loads, carrying heavy weight, off-road vehicles that need maximum traction and control, bigger wheels and tires, that kind of thing. So what do you actually get with this shock? You get less body roll in turns, less nosedive, less squat under acceleration, and less pogo sticking going down the road when you're carrying heavy loads or towing a heavy trailer. If your vehicle feels floaty on the highway or unstable when loaded or kind of just sloppy overall, both the gas adjust and the MonoMax are going to kind of tighten things up, but the MonoMax is going to be firmer than the gas adjust. Gas adjust is going to be firmer than the XL-G. So as you just look at the layout of these shocks, just keep that in mind. One thing to know on the MonoMax though is that while this tightens everything up to the max, you will feel the road more, but that's kind of the trade-off for maximum control. So here's a simple breakdown. The XL-G is your factory stock replacement, nothing fancy. The gas adjust shock is a slight performance bump and improvement in kind of vehicle control. And then the MonoMax is maximum control, a big performance bump, and really more appropriate for heavier vehicles, running bigger wheels and tires, or just doing truck things. If you want help picking out the right shock for your vehicle, that's literally all we do here at Shock Surplus. We sell tons of these kits every day, and we are not here to tell you what to run. We're here to help you figure out what to run on your own vehicle. Subscribe for more breakdowns, and I will see you on the next one.